What's up, YouTube? It's Anthony. How are you? '05 Grand Caravan or Dodge Caravan. '05 Caravan 3.3. Customer's request was replace the heater core. Yeah, no problem. He said he watched some YouTube videos. He's going to do it himself, but he didn't want to do it. So there's two different designs depending on the production date. One is a plastic inlet style flange, and one is just tube with the stupid clamps. All right, so there's a strap that holds it in right here with an 8mm. All right, plastic strap. And then you can see the tube assemblies with the clamps. The factory clamps you have to cut off with a pair of cutters, no big deal. Once you get the tubes out, slide them in and out. So what I did was I came up here, turned them, pulled them back. Put two hose clamps here, or line clamps, so it's not draining fluid back. And pull the hoses into the compartment just a little bit so it's easy to work. Start the car. Push the brake pedal down as far as you can get it, okay? And then slide the heater core out. This is where the second person comes in handy. Slide the heater core right out. When you go to put the new one back in, same procedure. Start the car, push the brake pedal down as far as you can go, slip the new one right back in. I like to use a little of the right stuff on the O-rings to keep them sealed. Aftermarket parts suck, just the way they are. Pretty simple job. Fire the car up, let it run, get the air out of the heater core, send it on its way. Thanks for watching.